Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you ever ask yourself, how can I start making money online with little to no investment? This video is just for you. Today, I'm sharing real proven way to make money online. Even if you are just starting out, you're a stay-at-home mom, or you are looking for an extra means to make an extra income. These tips that I'm about to give you now will help you to move forward towards your financial freedom. So grab a pen and open your notes. Let's get right into it. Number one is freelancing. One of the fastest ways to make money online is through freelancing. Freelancing, is being able to work for yourself, either from the comfort of your home or from your travel location without being supervised by any boss. So if you are good with social media, if you are good with editing, if you are good with being a translator, there's a high demand for you in the market. You can register your profile with Upwork or Fiverr. The tip I will give you another is to try to set your price as minimum as possible so that you have reviews, because reviews attract more people to work with you. Learn how to edit videos. Learn how to manage social media. Learn how to make products go viral. These are the skills that you need to learn from the comfort of your home, and that can make you huge amount of money in a short while, because every company wants to put their product out there and they want it to go viral. So you have to make everything look beautiful in their eyes and to be able to win their trust to get more deals. Number two is sell digital product online course. Got a skill? Or are you good in something like talent, or you study a particular thing in the school and you want to put it out there? You can convert it to ebook or online courses and sell to people and earn some money. And also, if you're good in graphic design, you can design clothes, you can put some design on a shirt. You can go to Canva and design some shirt and be able to sell those designs on Etsy or Teachable or Gumroad. So these are things you can do online while sitting at the comfort of your home to earn more money. Number three is affiliate marketing. If you're already a content creator and you know how to persuade people, you can start affiliate marketing. This is like putting a link of a product on your page after doing the product review and testing the product, so that your viewers or your followers will trust you with next product you will recommend to them. So make sure that you buy the product and test it and post the video or the pictures so that they can go and buy from the link which you shared. And whenever somebody buy from that product, you earn a commission, because the Amazon is very good at that. You can register with Amazon affiliate marketing and order. So all these things can give you passive income from the comfort of your home. And TikTok also has already started affiliate marketing. It depends on the country where you are. You can register and give review, honest, pure review about the product. The final tips today will be content creation. Content creation, is having a YouTube channel or Facebook or TikTok, or you can even have all of them. Even Twitter, they pay a huge amount of money now. So if you are very good, you have talent, you can speak, you can educate people, you can do drama, you can do something that will keep people coming back to your page, to view your page, to to motivate people, to put smile on people's face. It can be prank, it can be whatever you're very good at. It can be your talent, it can be your skills, it can be education, just like now. That will earn you huge amount of money at it won't end. Because people will want to engage in your content to learn, and the more they view, the more YouTube pays you, the more Facebook pays you, the more TikTok pays you. That is if you are monetized. And bear it in mind that content creation takes time, patience, and effort. Just like this video that I'm doing right now. It takes me time. It takes me patience to edit it. It takes me effort to be able to say everything. And it takes you, if you want to be someone that won't talk about business or talk about any other serious topic, it will take you a lot of research. If you're a very good content creator, you have to have it at the back of your mind that brands, businesses will be looking for you. And if you're attracting viewers on your page, on your channel, on even Twitter or TikTok, you have it in mind that you will be able to have passive income every end of the month. Because in TikTok, you can do live video and get paid. Even in Facebook, you can do, I don't know about Facebook so much with their live, if they're paying live, but I believe that if you are monetized, you get paid for viewers on your live. Just like in YouTube too. Even Twitter is paying right now. So if you know how to do vlogging, you know how to talk, you know how to do drama, you know how to do some other things that's reasonable on internet, because internet never forgets. This is the time for you to take advantage of it. I'm talking about content creation doesn't mean that you should start being naked online or doing some things that will haunt you years later. There's so many ways you can make money with responsible and reasonable content. So don't think that, doing some, will I call it evil content, will get you to where you are going. Rather, it might give you the fast money. That is if you are monetized. Because there's all these social media platforms that do not accept such things on their platform. So try to find a niche that will last for a long time, that will give you passive income, that will be able to attract brand deals to you, a reasonable niche. If you know how to talk very well, you can talk business topic, maybe study it in school or something, or marketing or any other thing that you know that you can handle very well. You can speak about it without shaking. You can do blogging. You can do even vlogging about your family or something. You can put it online. People will be interested to watch it and will be able to give you your products a lift also, because so many people, if you are selling products and you have so many followers, active followers, they will love to watch, support you. They will love to buy your product and other things. So content creation has taken over now, and I hope all these tips that I have given, that you choose one that suits your personality. Not just suiting your personality, something that you know that you can do for a long time. Choose a niche, or if you don't have a niche, you can test every other niche that you know you are good at, and choose the right one when the time comes. I'm glad to see you guys again, and I'm glad to speak to you again. Have a wonderful day, and have a wonderful evening or night, wherever you are watching me from. And take good care of yourself. And I hope you make a very good and impactful financial decision in this year. Take absolutely good care, and bye.